So I've removed one lumbar bladder from another seat, so I figured I would try and do a quick video on where the components are at. It might help you with installing yours. The assembly has this wire grid, and you see these yellow brackets that go up. They're actually kind of clipped in up here. I just use a screwdriver and pop them out. There's a couple springs on each side, and that gets this whole assembly free. If you see these tubes and wires, there's a module up behind here, right through here, that you can access through the back of the seat. You don't have to pull the whole thing off, but you can just pull it back far enough, get a Torx bit in, I can't remember what size it is, not too big, and loosen one bolt. Let's see here, I've got it somewhere. Anyway, let me think here. Yeah, there it is. This is the assembly right here that is up in this section. So there's one bolt. You can actually just loosen that bolt if you want to, and this assembly will slide out. So again, you don't have to take the whole back of the seat off. So that gets you all that, and then the rest of the stuff goes down to this assembly here, and it is just being held in with this foam. So it kind of confused me at first, but I just kind of wiggled on this foam and pulled all of this stuff down and then disconnect the wiring harness. And then you have everything free, basically. So this little motor over here is for seat back and forward, so it has nothing to do with this lumbar support assembly. I'll show you this item right here is this right here. So it's just the little inflator for the bladders. So, and you see that goes over to here. This guy goes over and goes to the bladders themselves. So anyway, beats me how it all works in terms of wiring, but I'll send you everything I got on this. I know it plugs into a seat controller that I have. I don't know that you would need it though. You might just have to be kind of doing this yourself. So, but anyway, let me go ahead and get this thing free. Bye.